Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the second method. So if you see here in the documentation page, there are two methods to do the authentication. I already spoke about the first method. You can also get the access token using the second method, in which we are going to use the hash ID. So essentially the process will be that now we will be using this online tool, and based on the API key and the app secret, we will be able to get something called an hash ID, and based on that we will be able to get our access token also. So again, if you want a sample code, just click on the right side, and in this node you will get the sample code. Again, I've just used the same sample code to code this. So I'll go through the code now. So this is the second code now, authentication underscore v2. Right at the top, I'm just importing the important modules. Then I'm going to read the refresh token, and this is the URL. This is the URL that we would require. Now what we want is we need to get the app the hash ID. How to do that is we'll have to go to this link, which is this link mentioned here, emn170.github. In case you're not sure, you can just click the link here and it will take you to this page. On this page we will have to put in our app ID and the secret key. So the method to do that is we will have to put our app ID colon the secret key. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it there. So this is the app ID colon, and then putting the secret key also. And once you do that, you can see that the output has been generated. Just copy this output, come back to your code and paste it here. So that is step number one. Once you have done that, put in your PIN. So this is the same PIN that you use to log into your account. Once you've done that, you can save this and run the file. So I'm going to run the file now. So I'm going to the terminal, node authentication underscore v2.js, and I'm going to run it. And you can see once I run it, it automatically gets me the access token. It gets saved in the text file also. So this is the second method. In this method, we don't have to go to the URL and do any copy pasting like we did in the first method. So yeah, depending on what you prefer, you can do the login in either of the methods. So I hope this is clear. We will be looking at more interesting stuff in the next few videos. So see you soon.